Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special shopping episode for today. It would be a little bit different because I was inspired by my new bags, which are my crystal bags over here. So I have these two bags over here. So I have it in gold and silver. And if you have been following me, these are my birthday gifts to myself that I have unboxed a couple of weeks back. Best part of this birthday present, guys, is if you are unaware, these are non-luxury bags. Yes, so I was able to find this one online and I was inspired. I was thinking to myself, if I was able to find affordable bags but the quality, guys, is very comparable to luxury bags, then why not? Then I should try to find them and also share it to our fam here. That is what we are going to do for the shopping episode for today. So guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @RamirFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so I would just like to show you my OOTD. So this is my birthday outfit for today. What do you think? I am so inspired by YSL Spring Summer Men. So here is what I'm carrying. So for shoes, is it focusing? So for shoes, I'm wearing Monster shoes. Then of course for my bag over here, I am carrying my crystal bag, so gorgeous. And of course for the top here, the high neck, that is the sequin top that we have unboxed during my hauls over here. Then I am wearing of course my YSL earrings, and for belt I am wearing Christian Dior. Pants is by my friend Roland Alzate. I'm not really sure what these coats are, but I love that it's so oversized. So what do you think? Please comment down below. Hi guys, so for today I would be carrying this new baby of mine. So this is my new crystal bag. I have unboxed her during my birthday unboxing haul. I'm going to link it above. So as you could see, she's fully packed. You are going to be surprised what I have packed in this very beautiful bag. So let's open her up. So this is actually, her look is very deceiving. She looks very small. So I am carrying my new iPhone 11 Pro. I have my YSL card holder. I have my power bank here. I have another phone, so my 6S Plus. Good news is the technician was able to fix her. So I have my wet ones. I have a fan over here, a foldable one. And of course, I have my charging cord. What else? I have my face mask, and of course for my lipstick, lip gloss, oil control film, everything is here. And on the back pocket, she has a zippered pocket, so that's where I would be keeping my keys. And guys, I was surprised. I never expected this. So the seller actually gave me an extra, so it's not focusing, extra crystals just in case the bag would fall off. But I'm feeling that the crystals would not fall off. So whenever I would be carrying her, so normally she slouches like this, but if she is packed to the brim like what I did, you are going to fit so much on this very beautiful bag. So guys, let us start first at day 0. This is the day before. So we went to the ZARA end of season sale, just showing you my outfit of the day. So this is the first time that I am carrying my crystal knot silver bag and my low-away bag together. So firstly, let's do a try on of the sale item. So we have this very beautiful crop blazer for $2,995. That is the sale price. The print of this one reminds me strongly of Celine. I really love the fit. I really love the colorway. Perfect for spring summer. What do you think of this one, guys? I love also that it is a crop top, giving it like a more modern look on me. So here it is, trying it out. Then I was able to find this very beautiful beaded drawstring bag still from ZARA. I wasn't able to get the price. Just look how beautiful the bag is. I love the beaded part, although since this is just a high street, we could still improve on, like for example with the drawstring and the actual chain, so it would even look more luxurious. But it does remind me of a Fendi beaded baguette, especially like this one. I also found this on sale. So the price of this one is 2,995. I love the exterior of the bag. However, hopefully the interior could be improved. So this is like a baguette style shoulder bag. How beautiful the shine of the baguette is. Then I'm also trying this cut-out blazer. So it is so me. It doesn't have a back portion, or the entire back portion is totally cut out. So here it is. I also love like it's in this very beautiful beige color. So here it is, trying it on. What do you think? As you would notice, my top also has that cut out part at the back. So the top actually I have designed for myself. So here is what it looks like when worn. So what do you think, guys? Again, just look how the crystal knot bag sparkles. So I love the way that I carry these two bags together. It's like a mommy and baby bag out. So then we went to the Melissa x Marc Jacobs collaboration. So this is the actual day. So when I have seen this on the window display, definitely I wanted to check it out. Then there's also a collaboration with Victor and Wolf. So this bag is for 4,995. So it is a top handle bag, and again, since this is a Melissa collaboration, we could expect that the entirety of the material is made of rubber. This one I fell in love. It's 13,995. Para kasing nahuhubo sa akin. Dahil hindi ako sanay. Or baka hindi ako sanay nung wala sa likod. So this is the Melissa x Marc Jacobs collaboration footwear. When I have seen this via Instagram, I knew I wanted to check this out also. So let us check out more bags. So this one is 5,000 or 3,995. A green bag with giant bow detail. So this is a top handle and crossbody style. They also have other collaborations. So this one is priced 6,995. So as you can see here, it's like another collaboration with a famous artist. So that is the price. So they have this very beautiful sandals over here. We have very beautiful footwear. So this one is 5,995. Beautiful, perfect pink for the Barbie core style. So we have more shoes. I was actually surprised. They have really good footwear. And when I have tried the Melissa x Marc Jacobs, it's quite comfortable actually. So we have more bags here. Then we have platform boots for $7,995. Then I headed to Charles & Keith. So this one is 4,195. Then I've also checked out local designers here in the Philippines. They have like a boutique. So we could see mostly leather bags. So as you can see here, very beautiful eye candies. As you know, for spring, summer, like rattan or raffia bags are so in trend. So these are made by local designers here in the Philippines. If you're ever visiting Manila, you should check these stores out. This is a very beautiful tote bag. The price of this one is 26,790. Very beautiful craftsmanship. So later I'm going to try more. So just showing you more leather goodies here. More rattan bags, perfect for summer. So this is me trying on this very beautiful tote bag. So 26,000 again is the price. I love the weave of rattan materials over here with leather trims. This is from the same designer, so it is a top handle roller bag. Of course, I love the metallic silver finish, so gorgeous. Then let us check out bags from H&M since we are at the mall. So this kind of reminds me of the Prada raffia tote. This one reminds me of the Celine Kahir tote bag, if I'm not mistaken. What do you think? This one is like a combination of a Valentino and Chanel 19 bag. So what do you think of this one? Very soft, but unfortunately, of course, the material or quality is not that great. So we have more raffia totes here for 1,549. Then we went to Dior Beauty, just checking out what we could see. So we have makeups over here, and then we have perfume. It's dinner time, so let us check out this very beautiful restaurant here, the new at SM Aura. They have so many delicious food, so just looking at this video makes me really hungry. So they have very beautiful and delicious dessert. This is my favorite, salted dark chocolate tart. Ka lang. So it is already end of day. So right now we are about to eat to celebrate my little birthday. So hopefully you enjoyed our episode for today. Hi guys, before we end our episode, if you have stayed until this part of this video, please do leave me a birthday cake emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from a million. Thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!